Welcome to Madan's kitchen. Today we are gonna make mini chocolate cake at home with very easily available ingredients. For this, I need cream chocolate biscuits. Now I'll put them in grinder like this. Okay. Now I will add 3 tablespoons sugar to make it more sweet and grind them. After grinding, I need to add milk and mix it properly with spoon to get the proper consistency, and again I'll grind it. After doing this, I'll put it into next container and whisk it properly. Okay, so this is the consistency I need. Now to reduce the biscuity taste in chocolate cake, I'll add chocolate syrup, or you can say chocolate sauce. Now apply the butter or another container in which you need to bake the cake and transfer the batter to the container like this. Okay, now I'll taper the container so that it evenly gets distributed and bake it. After baking, I'll put a knife inside it to check whether it is properly done or not. And yeah, it's done. Now we'll try to take out this cake, and this is how I did. And yeah, it will come out very easily with a perfect shape. Now I'll put white chocolate sauce on it. What I have done here is I have mixed white chocolate sauce with milk to make it thin. And then dark chocolate sauce, evenly distributing it like this. Yes. And yes, we are done with the recipe. Thank you guys for watching.